To adjust the date and time in WhatsApp on your iPhone, you need to make sure iPhone system date and time are set correctly. WhatsApp uses your iPhone system settings for time-related features like timestamps on messages, and here is how you can adjust it. Firstly, go to your iPhone's home screen and tap on the Settings app. Once inside the settings, all you have to do is scroll down and look for the General option available there and simply tap on it. Then tap on Date and Time inside General. Inside date and time, make sure that you have toggled the Set Automatically option on to allow your iPhone to sync the date and time automatically from your time zone. After adjusting the date and time, open WhatsApp to ensure the changes take effect. WhatsApp will now reflect the correct date and time based on the system settings. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.